Welcome to Timeline Chronicles, where every city tells a story. Today we climb the misty hills of the northeast into the heart of the Mizoram to uncover the story of Aizawl, the capital, the center, and the soul of the Mizo people. High in the Lusai Hills, Aizawl was just a quiet village. But in 1871, everything changed. The Britishers, aiming to control the tribal uprisings, established a military outpost here. This outpost grew and laid the foundation of what would later become Aizawl. By 1890, British officers like Daly and McCabe built road, rest house and a garrison. A small village slowly transformed into a strategic hub. In 1894, two Wales missionaries J. H. Lauren and F. W. Savage arrived here. They not only spread the Christianity but developed the Mizo alphabet, translated the Bible, and introduced the formal education. By early 90s, Aizawl was growing with schools, churches, and unique fusion of tribal traditions and modern values. In 1947, when India gained independence, Aizawl became part of Assam as a district headquarters. But growing demand for autonomy led to the creation of Mizo District Council in 1952. By 1960s, tensions escalated. The Mizo National Front started an armed uprising in 1966, leading to the infamous air strikes on Aizawl, the only time the Indian Air Force bombed its own city. Years of struggle led to peace. In 1986, the historic Mizo Peace Accord was signed between Indian government and MNF. Finally, 28th Feb 1987, Mizoram became the 23rd state of India and Aizawl proudly became its capital. Today, Aizawl is not just a city. It is a symbol of resilience, culture, and harmony. From a military camp to a cultural capital, Aizawl's journey is a living timeline of transformation. This is the Timeline Chronicles, where we bring the past alive. If you enjoyed this journey through time, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Timeline Chronicles. Till then, bye bye, take care.